Normal creatinine, safe nga bang magpalagay ng dye or contrast media? The answer is a big no. A normal creatinine will not give you a guarantee that 100% of your kidney is still okay. 75% of the kidney is already damaged pagka tumaas ang creatinine, and kadalasan ng pasyente candidate na for dialysis. So if you have 50% damage sa inyong kidney, still normal pa ho ang creatinine result ninyo. But some of the percentage of the dye, hindi nyo na ho mailalabas sa inyong katawan. So a person who has no symptoms doesn't mean that everything is okay. And 50% already happened bago tayo magkaroon ng symptoms, and 75% already happened bago mag-positive ang mga laboratory test natin. Let me remind you that dialysis and keto analog will not reverse your creatinine and your damaged kidney. So sa mga matataas ho ang creatinine and dinadialysis, bisitahin niyo kami sa aming clinic at may protocol ho tayo para dyan. Huwag nyo na hong hihintayin na mag-total shutdown ng kidney at maging kandidato ho kayo for kidney transplant. This is Dr. Irene Lim. Prevention is better than cure, and health is the best investment.